Trying to decide if you should upgrade your headlight bulbs to LED now or wait until you buy new housings? With our CrystaLux G9 Series bulbs, you don't have to worry about that anymore. Keep watching to find out how easy it is to convert the bulb sizes. In this example, we've already upgraded our stock 2015 F-150's headlights to a pair of G9 Series H11 bulbs for the low beams and 9005 bulbs for the high beams. We're going to be installing a new pair of Anzo Switchback projector housings, but the housings call for H7 bulbs for the low beam and H7 bulbs for the high beams. This isn't a problem. First, we'll remove the old bulbs from the stock housings. Then, we'll pull the O-ring off the collar, which conceals the set screw. Once the set screw is removed, we can simply twist the collar and pull it straight off the bulb. Next, grab a replacement H7 collar and insert it onto the bulb and lock it in place by twisting it. That's it! Now we can install the H7 bulb into the Anzo housings. In a matter of seconds, we've converted the H11 bulbs over to H7 bulbs. Be sure to visit www.4x4truckleds.com where you can order these products and more. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we'll bring you more new videos packed with new products, tutorials, and more.